My name is Antonio Martinez, and I'm a BHE IT Enterprise Technician at NV Energy. So before Tech Impact, I was bouncing around classes at community college, and I didn't really know exactly what I wanted to do. In my previous job, I had a really good friend, coworker, who told me all about Tech Impact, especially the ITWorks program. And me, really involved with tech beforehand, I took it as an opportunity that this is something I for sure know that I would be interested in. And I just went with it, and it paid off tenfold.
In the time that I've gotten to know Antonio and learn more about his experience and his story and the journey he's taken to complete the Tech Impact program and to intern and ultimately work with NV Energy, for me it's a wonderful outcome of our partnership with Tech Impact and the goals that our company and our foundation have in providing and funding opportunities for individuals to access, like Antonio's been able to achieve here at NV Energy.
So Tech Impact's partnership with NV Energy has greatly impacted my career in the sense that I have learned so much being exposed to all the different subsidiaries in Berkshire Hathaway Energy. I'm not only just helping people within NV Energy that are on premise, I'm helping people remotely across the country. So being exposed to that type of work and having to go ahead and take that next step to help someone across the country greatly exposed me to all the different types of IT.
We have leaders in our contact center that host students to educational sessions and then side-by-side visits with our contact center employees so those students can listen real time to a customer service call. We have employees that care deeply about the work that Tech Impact is leading, that volunteer their time with Tech Impact students. That's a win-win for all of us. It's a win for our business community. It's a win for those individuals that go on to have thriving experiences in our community.
This program helped me pave a way. It helped me definitely decide where I want to go in life and what I want to do. So without it, I'd be lost.
You will be thrilled to see the quality of student that Tech Impact is graduating from their ITWorks and their CXWorks program. We need to be here for these students. We need to provide these opportunities and pathways. And so I think it definitely, for me, created even a deeper commitment to work with Tech Impact and figure out how to get more students connected to opportunities at NV Energy.
Everybody from your classmates to the staff, everybody around you, they put you in such a good position to succeed. My girlfriend, she went through the program. One of my bestest friends, he went through the program. And now at the next cohort, my cousin's also going through the program. So my way of paying it forward is bringing all these close people that I love, that I care about, and showing them, hey, this is a great opportunity. Some of the core values at Tech Impact would definitely have to be the community. Just how they empower individuals and how they provide a support system for them to succeed in their careers. Some of the greatest things Tech Impact has to offer.